Are Great Danes sensitive to loud noises? Great Danes are known for their size and strength, but what about their sensitivity to loud noises? Many dog owners wonder if their gentle giants can handle the loud sounds that are a part of everyday life. In this article, we will explore whether Great Danes are sensitive to loud noises and how to help them cope. Firstly, it is important to understand that loud noises can affect dogs differently. While some breeds are naturally more sensitive to loud sounds, others may be less bothered by them. Great Danes, with their calm and gentle temperament, generally fall into the category of being less sensitive to loud noises compared to other breeds. However, this does not mean that Great Danes are completely immune to the effects of loud noises. Just like any other dog, they may still experience fear or anxiety when faced with sudden and loud sounds such as fireworks, thunderstorms, or even vacuum cleaners. It is important for dog owners to be aware of their Great Danes' individual sensitivities and take steps to help them feel safe and secure during these situations. One reason why Great Danes may be less sensitive to loud noises is their size. These majestic dogs are one of the largest breeds, and their sturdy physique may help to dampen the impact of sounds. Additionally, their calm and laid-back nature also contributes to their ability to handle loud noises with more ease. Nevertheless, it is important for dog owners to proactively address any signs of distress or anxiety that their Great Dane may display in response to loud noises. This can be done through various techniques and training methods. One helpful approach is desensitization. By gradually exposing your Great Dane to the sounds that trigger their anxiety, you can help them build a tolerance and reduce their fear response. This can be achieved by playing recordings of loud sounds at a low volume and gradually increasing the volume over time. Another technique is counterconditioning, which involves pairing the loud noises with positive experiences. For example, you can give your Great Dane treats or engage in playtime while playing recordings of fireworks in the background. This way, your dog will start associating the loud noises with something pleasant, helping to alleviate their anxiety. In some cases, anti-anxiety medication may also be prescribed by a veterinarian to help Great Danes cope with their fear of loud noises. This can be especially useful during extreme situations such as thunderstorms or fireworks where the noise level is particularly high. However, it is always important to consult with a professional before considering any medication for your pet. In addition to these techniques, creating a safe and secure environment for your Great Dane is also crucial. This can include providing them with a designated, safe space where they can retreat to during loud events. This can be a quiet room or a crate covered with a blanket to create a calming atmosphere. Additionally, playing soothing classical music or turning on a white noise machine can also help to drown out the loud noises and create a more peaceful environment for your dog. It is worth mentioning that each Great Dane is unique and may have different levels of sensitivity to loud noises. Some may have no issues at all, while others may require extra support and interventions. It is important for dog owners to be observant and responsive to their Great Dane's needs and adjust their approach accordingly. In conclusion, while Great Danes are generally less sensitive to loud noises compared to other breeds, they can still experience fear or anxiety in response to sudden and loud sounds. It is important for dog owners to be aware of their individual sensitivities and take steps to help them cope. Through techniques such as desensitization, counterconditioning, and creating a safe environment, Great Danes can learn to tolerate loud noises and feel more secure. Remember, always consult with a professional if you have concerns about your pet's well-being.